Okay, we're back to checking off ones from the digital concert. This one, Omir Oter, uh, is also a music video of it. It has more involved story, but this one is pretty simple, with just him being on stage for the digital concert. The song itself was created for the 30th anniversary of Kazakhstan's independence, and the melody for it was written by Dimash's friend Renat Ghassan, and he tells how he came across the melody, or how it came to him during a night ride around town, and then in the following months it just kept coming to him, and he finally put it together on there. And he said that it is an ode to life. It is meant to recall for anybody who has taken a moment to think about their own existence. Why am I here? And I think of that quite often, especially when someone that is in uh, my support group is no longer with us, and I have this thought of, why am I still here? What am I supposed to do? So this song kind of hits home for me. But anyway, Dimash then worked with Renat in setting up the arrangements for it. On that, the words for it were done by another contemporary, a famous Kazakh poet, and I'm going to murder the last name, but it's Talant, Aryngali. And I apologize if I am mispronouncing it. If somebody can give me a phonetic on it, I would certainly appreciate it. I will put some of this information down in the description as well. But it's kind of as, someone thinking back on their life, and the idea that, you enter this world and then you leave it, and what happens in between, what significance it has, what role were you meant to play in this life. The music video for it is fantastic as well. I'll put the link for that. I may go back and take a look at that one on a later date as well. But remembering having seen that one of the things that struck me about it was the old man, and those of you who have watched it will know what I mean. I'm not going to spoil it for anybody who hasn't seen it, but the old man kind of got me when I saw him in it. But anyway, enough of me just yammering away. Let's go ahead and listen to the beautiful song.
Алғын тәттіні бақытқа толы шақтары амалың қанша қайтадан келмейді көнбейді тағдыр көнбейді бұл күнде қалар алыста қиял мен арман жарысқан әрі де бірі ереске айналар келгенде уақыт ойланар өтеді-ай өмір өтер өзендей ағып кетер жолдасың сөнбесін жағанда, қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға. Өтеді-ай өмір өтер, дүние-ай бәрі бекер. Жолдасың сөнбесін жағанда, қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға. Көңілді аман басқанда, аузыңнан бағың қашқанда, заманда жалғыз жабырқап қалғанда, жаныңда бар жаңбыр ма, жайнаған жастық жалында, айналар бір күн табама. Қолдан қанша жүргенмен соңында, тағдырың тегер қолында. Өтеді-ай өмір өтер, өзендей ағып кетер. Жолдасың сөнбесін жағанда, қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға. Өтеді-ай өмір өтер, дүние бәрі бекер. Жолдасың сөнбесін жағанда, қол жетпей тұрып асыл арманға.
That instrument fascinates me. Well, there we have it. I will put the information in the description. I will include the link to the original for this. Please go to the website and listen to it there. Giving some credit to the original artist on that. And with that, I am going to say good night. Have a good one, everybody, and peace.